Wordsmiths, hey, do not adjust your screens. Sorry, something's going on my end. Let me just mess with my settings. There we go. Whew, weird. All right. The colors were all washed out, which is appropriate, actually, because the words in this video are contrast and prominent, and I needed to adjust the contrast settings in order to make this video visible. So, let me explain what these words mean, and then we'll go through their origins, and then I'll use the words in a few sentences. Contrast is both a noun and a verb, and as a verb it means to be different from, to show differences. I might contrast books and television, for example, to show the differences between those two media. As a noun, contrast means a big difference, like the contrast between night and day. You'll often see it in the expression by contrast, which means in comparison. Prominent is an adjective that means important or famous. It can also describe a thing that sticks out in a way that is noticeable, like I could have a very prominent chin that really juts out from my face. Like so, a prominent chin. Okay, let's do some word origins, starting with prominent. Prominent comes from pro, meaning forward, and min from the Latin minere, meaning to stick out. So something that's prominent really sticks out, really stands forward from the rest. So that can be literal, like a prominent hill that sticks out from the landscape, and it can also be figurative, like a famous person sticks out from other people because they're so recognizable. They're prominent. Other words that use the word part min include eminent, which has that prefix x in there, meaning out, ex-minent, but we don't say the x. And eminent also means famous, but with a connotation of well-respected, like an eminent world leader or an eminent novelist. And imminent, which has the prefix in there, something that is imminent, is about to show up, is coming very soon, it's coming in. Contrast comes from the Latin contra, meaning against, and sta from Latin stare, meaning to stand. So something that contrasts stands against something else. Other words that contain contra and sta include contradict, a great word. It means to object to or speak against something. Dict means speech. You might recognize it from dictionary. And with sta we get stable, an adjective that means sturdy or upright, or as a noun, a building where horses live. Let's use these words in some sentences. A prominent member of the wealthy Van de Groot family, Linus spent his share of the family fortune on pancakes. Linus is a famous member of a wealthy family. He is well known. He sticks out, probably because he spends so much money on pancakes. By contrast, his younger sister, Virginia, used her share of the fortune to build public libraries. By contrast, to show a difference, in comparison to her brother, Virginia Van de Groot chose to better society. Pancakes are important, but I don't think it's wise to dedicate your life to eating pancakes. If I were to dedicate my life to anything, it would be building a love of language in the people I teach, a love of books and learning. Wordsmiths, I want you to be confident and strong in your command of language. I think you can do it. And to be clear, you can still have pancakes. There's room in your life for both pancakes and books. All right, that's all the time we've got for this one. I will see you in the next. Until then, you can learn anything. David out.